Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be testing out a couple products designed to help beat the summer heat. Some actual protection for my side windows and a really cool new window covering to help protect my windshield here. You'll see I already have the powered sunshade installed for my mega glass roof up at the top, but we're going to be trying to cut down some of the other UV rays, keep it really cool in here for the summer. Let's get into it. The first thing we want to take a look at is this. This is a 4-piece set of some electrostatic cling window coverings for your passenger, driver, and rear mirrors back here. They're not 100% blackout shades, but they're really just designed to kind of cover 80–90% of the actual window and block out all of that UV light, and they're designed to be extremely simple to install. So let's take a look at them. They come in this little pack. There's 4 of them in here. So 2 of the rear window shades right there, and then 2 of your front shades on this side. And they're really kind of made out of this static cling material. See how they're kind of sticking together? It's not sticky or anything like that. It's just a static cling material. And so it's just designed to stick on the window. There's no clips. There's nothing else you have to do. Let's try it out. If I come over here and just stick it over on the window, press it on a little bit, there you go. And it just kind of covers up some of that window and helps protect and block some of that light. They're not designed to be privacy shades or anything like that. It's just helping cut down on some of that UV light that helps keep your car cooler, right? And so that's kind of the whole design. Super simple to install. You saw me install it in half a second, and it just sticks on the window just like that. They claim that you can actually drive with these, and I think you actually could. If you move this back a little bit, you can still see out your mirrors and everything you need to do. I don't know if I would drive with them on all the time, but if you're driving around and you just have like a passenger that wants to block some light, maybe it's hitting them at a certain angle, pull these out, you're good to go. We'll do another look here on the actual driver's side. So I have that kind of static cling side. Again, not sticky, no clips, nothing like that. Turn it around and come over here. And just put it where I want on the window and stick it on. And, you know, half a second, you're good to go. If I close my door, it just moves up right away and out of the way. Get a shot of that. And there you go. Easy peasy, right? Couldn't be any easier to help block some of that sunlight, kind of keep it out of your face. Maybe if it's like right here while you're driving or something like that. So move it out again, and super simple. Removal. Couldn't be easier. Just peel it off. No residue or anything like that. And again, they fold back up to a really nice little shape when you're all done. So pretty cool. Coming around to the actual rear windows here of my Model Y, you get this kind of rectangular shape, and it just kind of fits right on there as well. I'm going to go kind of over in the bigger area where I think it'll fit well. As I close the door, this will move up, right? But it's super simple to install. I like that there's no clips, and it's actually pretty secure. It's not going to move around. You can hear it kind of, you know, adhering to the window there. If I close it, no big deal. Closes right away. So really nice. I think these are a highly convenient option if you actually want some window covering. You could throw them up when you leave your car out in the sun for a little while, and it'll help cut down some of those UV rays. So super simple product, really easy to use. And when you're done using them, just simply roll them back up. Just kind of fold them as you would think like a normal window sunshade would go. Give them a little twist and a fold, and you get a nice little package here. And I like to keep them right here in my actual door pocket, nice and tucked away for when I need them. Now that we've talked about the actual sides of the car and the side windows, let's talk about the elephant in the room, this giant windshield. I love the size of the windshield on my Model Y. It looks great. It lets in so much UV light, and I've tried lots of different things to try to protect it and just kind of keep some of that UV light out, keep the temperature inside cool, right? And so I've seen those sunshades where you unwrap them and you kind of fiddle with them and stick them up there. I've never been a fan of those. So I wanted to try out this. This is a car sunshade umbrella, and it actually is expandable with kind of an umbrella skeleton inside. So let's take a look at it and see what we can do with it. So this is my first time using it, so we'll actually kind of do it together here. But my understanding is you just unwrap this, and kind of like an umbrella, it's going to spring out. Let's see. They kind of have a really nice kind of reflective coating on the side that's going to fit the actual windshield here. And if I push it out, there should be a top and a bottom. Let's see. So here's the actual top. It's going to go around your actual rear view mirror. So let's put it up there. Let's see what happens here. I'll expand it out. And there you go. Kind of put that up that way. There you go. And you can easily fold these down too if you want that all the way to the top there. And a pretty easy way to actually block out all that UV light that's coming through the front windshield of our Model Y. Now, you can mess with this some more, this kind of a bendable thing. And I like to keep it maybe up there, kind of at the top of my windshield, and it keeps it pressed all the way to the top there, right? So you actually have some nice sun protection. This is blocking like 99% of the sun inside the car. It looks really good. I'm going to take you outside and we'll show you actually what it looks like from the outside. But in here, it's blocking so much of the sunshade, so much of the sun. It looks great. Coming outside real quick, you can see how well it fits up against all the different sides and angles of the Model Y windshield here. It really covers it, and it's blocking like 99–100% of that sunlight. Just by having that installed in the car, you'll actually reduce the heat inside immensely. I really like how easy it was to set up too. I'm going to go inside and try to take it down, and we're going to do it a few more times to see if I can get a little bit more proficient with it. I'll show you again in here how I have it set up. I like this little bendable angle because it helps add some tension, right, up into the actual windshield so it doesn't fall down. You don't have to do a bunch of straps or weird things. I really like how it fits all the way along here. And then I just kind of wrapped it around my rear view mirror here and cinched it back on itself. So pretty easy to install all the way around. So a little bit different angle for you guys, but I wanted to show kind of how it fits again. So let's see what we do here. I'm going to pull out this little piece and just kind of move it out of the way. Move my actual window visors here. Pull that down. Get it back down towards me. And then just kind of retract it. Bend that piece out of the way and retract it like a normal umbrella. It's actually super convenient. I actually like how that works really well. And then you can just take this and wrap it around. And boom, you're done. No fiddling, trying to bend things together or anything crazy like that. And it actually comes with a little carrying case too. If you actually fold this up a little nicer, probably fits right here in its little carrying case, little carrying pouch. Boom. Easy to tuck that away in one of your side pockets or any other of the awesome storage places in your Tesla. So it's actually really cool. I think we'll keep this. I think I'll use it a lot. Every time I see a new owner thread on Reddit or any of the Facebook groups, they're always asking, how can I cut down on the interior temperature when I leave my car out in the sun? These two products I went over today, the side window shades and this really cool windshield shade umbrella style, I think are really two cool products that will help alleviate a whole bunch of the temperature and keep it nice and cool in here inside your Model Y. A lot of people want to address the sunroof in the room, but this actually doesn't let in too much heat from what I understand. I really like having my power sunshade. I'll have a link to this down in the description as well. So I love that. But if you're not looking to spend that much money on it, you can get window clean sunshades as well for the actual roof glass, but having some protection on the sides and the windshield will help a ton as well. I'll have links to both these products down in the description for you guys to find. I got them from EV Base. If you ever shop at EV Base, use the code right here on the screen, Gambleton80. Helps you save about 20% off right off the top. This windshield sunshade was right at $40, and the actual window clings were about $50. So 20% off of those. You could get both these for well under $100 shipped to you. And I think they're a really good deal. I really like this guy. I think it's super easy to install by myself. I always hated fiddling with those things to try to get them back together, those big windshield sunshades, and trying to bend them back. It's just awkward and confusing. This was super easy to install myself, so I really do like it. If you ever do use the code discount Gamble1080 right there on the screen, it is an affiliate code. So I want to make sure I say that we do get a very small commission at no additional cost to you whenever you use it. So thank you guys for supporting the channel that way. If you're interested in anything else I've done to my Tesla, I'll have a link to my Amazon storefront down in the description for you as well. And, just thank you guys for coming back. I really appreciate all the support on the channel over the last year. If there's anything you want to see in me review, let me know down in the comments. I'll be happy to do it. And thank you guys again. Feel free to like and subscribe. We'll catch you in the next video. Have a good day.